Good enough.
Right.
Burn them off.
All right, corner marshal's ready. Drivers less than 5. And we're off. Oh, somebody got loose up off of 2, or actually right in the middle of the corner. Heads up when you're coming back around, guys.
My bad, Eddie.
It has cleared up. All right, we're going to let them see what happens here. Craig Martin is running 8-2. Hudson with a 1. Looks like everybody's transponders are nice and strong. All right, Craig Martin with an 8-1. Hodgett with an 8-1. Rogers with an 8-9. Eddie Butcher 8-1. Daniel Hudson 16-0. Jack Wright broke out. Jack Wright, Greg Cummins broke out. Man, guys are breaking out like it's a job. All right, it's Craig Martin with an 8-1. Reed Hodgett 8-02. Eddie Butcher 8-09. Daniel Hudson 8-01. These guys are tapping on that breakout themselves. 8-1 for Reed Hodgett out front. Eddie Butcher in second with an 8-4. Craig Martin with a 12-6. Daniel Hudson 8-1. David Rogers 8-2. Greg Cummins 8-4. Jack Wright 9-7. And Brandon Crotch with a 15-8. All right, it's still Reed Hodgett out front, 8-1. Eddie Butcher, 8-2. Craig Martin, 8-1. Daniel Hudson, 8-1. 8-06 for Greg Cummins. David Rogers breaks out. Brandon Crotch with 8-04. And Jack Wright with a 13-8.
Truck got fast to practice.
130 down, 4:30 to go. 8-1 for Reed Hodgett out front. 8-03 for Eddie Butcher. 8-1 for Craig Martin. 8-3 for Greg Cummins. 16-2 Daniel. 15-8 for David Rogers. 8-06 for Brandon Crotch. It's still Reed Hodgett with an 8-3 out front that time by. He's on a 44.607 pace. Eddie Butcher in second with an 8-09.
I'm gonna just get up in the crowd. Go low on the front.
Craig Martin with an 8-1. So it's Reed Hodgett out front with an 8-3. Eddie Butcher with an 8-1. Craig Martin 8-09. Greg Cummins 8-1. Daniel Hudson 21. Brandon Crotch 15. David Rogers 15. And Jack having some problems. Just getting back in the groove, getting his car dialed in. It's 8-07 for Eddie Butcher out front. 8-2 for Reed. 8-1 for Craig Martin. 9-3 for Greg. 8-2 for Daniel. 8-1 for Brandon. 15-7 for David Rogers. Looks like David and Jack's going to set the rest of this one out. Eddie Butcher out front with an 8-1. Craig Martin 8-1. Reed Hodgett 8-3. Greg Cummins 8-3.
Thank you.
8-09 for Eddie Butcher. 8-1 for Craig Martin. 8-4 for Reed Hodgett. 8-3 for Greg Cummins. Daniel with a 14-5. Brandon Crotch with an 8-08. It's still Eddie Butcher out front with an 8-1. Craig Martin 8-1. Reed Hodgett 8-2. Greg Cummins 8-2. Daniel 8-4. Brandon 8-1. David 8-1. We are 3:15 down, 2:45 to go. It's Eddie Butcher. 8-08 out front. Something had to read. 8-08 for Eddie Butcher. 8-1 for Craig Martin. 8-3 for Reed Hodgett. 8-2 for Greg Cummins. Daniel with a 13-9. Brandon with an 8-08. David Rogers 8-08. 3:40 down, 2:20 to go. Eddie Butcher, 44.607 is the pace with an 8-1. 8-2 for Eddie Butcher, 8-1 for Craig Martin, 8-3 Reed, 8-1 Greg, 8-4 Daniel, 8-07 Brandon, 8-2 David Rogers. 4 down, 2 to go, guys. Eddie Butcher with an 8-1 out front, Craig Martin with an 8-1, Reed with an 8-5, Greg with an 8-2, Daniel with an 8-5, Brandon with an 8-1, and David Rogers 8-2. 8-2 for Eddie Butcher out front, 8-1 for Craig Martin, 8-2 for Reed Hodgett, 8-1 for Greg Cummins, 8-3 for Daniel Hudson, 8-1 for Brandon Crossing, and 8-3 for David Rogers. Greg trying to do a wheelie down the back stretch. Eddie Butcher still out front on that 44.606 pace. 8-1 for Eddie. Craig Martin up 8-08 in the number 2 spot. Reed Hodgett 8-3. 8-2 for Greg Cummins. 8-4 for Daniel Hudson. 8-09 for Brandon. 8-2 for David.
Are we on the same lap too?
Yeah.
It's still out front. Eddie Butcher, 806. Craig Martin's running 801. We're coming up
Whoa,
on 5
801.
minutes.
I'm letting out.
5 down, 1 to go.
I'll let out.
8-1 for Eddie Butcher out front. 8-1 for Craig Martin. 8-2 for Reed Hodden. 8-2 for Reed just had a 14-9. 8-3 for Greg Cummins. 8-5 for Daniel Hudson. 8-1 for Brandon Crawford. 8-2 for David Rogers.
You want by, buddy?
Not yet.
40 seconds.
Okay, then.
Eddie Butcher out front. 8-1. Craig Martin. 8-1. Cummins in a 1. Hodden with a 4. Hudson with a 5. Crotts with a 3. 30 seconds, guys. Still Eddie Butcher, 804. Craig Martin, 805. Greg Cummins, 81. Reed Hodden, 83.
No, I think we can make it.
15 seconds.
Oh my God, what am I doing?
The leader's pace is now at 44.604. But right there on him is Craig Martin with a 44.604.5. 5 seconds, guys.
Oh.
Car 7 is done. Car 1 is done. Car 3 is done.
Oh, that was awesome.
Car 5 is done. Car 2 is done. Car 6 is done.
Well, that was awesome. I'm glad I got that on video.
It was pretty cool.